Dear teachers and teacher educators, I am sharing here implementation of the scheme Samagra Shiksha. The scheme is implemented as a centrally sponsored scheme by the department through a single state implementation society at the state and UTs. At the national level, there is a governing council headed by MHRD and a project approval board headed by the Secretary, Department of School Education and Literacy. The governing council is empowered to modify financial and program norms and approve the detailed guidelines for implementation within the overall framework of the scheme. Such modification will include innovations and interventions to improve the quality of school education. States are expected to bring a single plan for the entire school education sector. The fund sharing pattern for the scheme between central and state is at present in the ratio of 90:10 for 8 northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, and 3 Himalayan states Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and in 60:40 in all other states and UTs with legislature. It is 100% centrally sponsored in union territories without legislature. This is in accordance with the recommendation of the subgroup of chief ministers on rationalization of central sponsored schemes. I am sharing here components of the scheme. One of the components, self-defense training, that is Raksha. In view the rising crimes against girls, they are being provided self-defense training in the schools to ensure safety and security. Self-defense training is a life skill that helps girls to be more aware of their surroundings and be prepared to save from unexpected happenings. Through the self-defense training, the girls are taught to become psychologically, intellectually and physically strong enough to protect themselves in time of distress. Self-defense training techniques instill self-confidence among girls and helps to promote girls' education, particularly their transition to secondary and higher secondary level, and to reduce the dropout rate in schools. Under Samagra Shiksha, rupees 3,000 per month is given to government schools having more girls enrollment for self-defense training. The training is meant for girls students from class 6 to 12. The training is also given to girls residing in Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. The state and UTs may also look for convergence for availing funds from self-defense training under the Nirbhaya Fund, under Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, Police Department, Home Guards, NCC or with other state government schemes. I am telling about second component of the scheme, that is Sagun portal. The Sagun portal is launched in 2017 by MHRD. It has two components. First one is digital repository of innovations and second one is online monitoring. Digital repository. The digital repository has been designed to change the narratives on school education by showcasing the multitude of innovative and successful models being implemented by all states and UTs in diverse circumstances. It enables these successful initiatives to be replicated and taken to scale. This repository of good practices focuses on positive stories and development that are driving performance improvements in school education. These innovative practices are documented in the form of case studies, video, testimonials and images. The digital platform is for public, media, stakeholders, influencers and global academia to witness the innovative ideas and success stories being registered in the field of elementary education. Innovations that have benefited state governments, public schools, teachers and students are documented and disseminated through this repository. Next one is monitoring. The online monitoring module of Sagun measures state level performance and progress against key educational indicators which enables Department of School Education and Literacy and Education Department of States and UTs to conduct real-time assessment. The main functions and funds utilization, tracking, performance measurement on key educational indicators, online planning and goal setting, physical targets and outcome monitoring. The portal offers data analyticals and generates graphics which represent the progress of state and UTs against key identified parameters such as exact number of out of school children mainstreamed, the increase or decrease in enrollment in government schools, vice versa private schools, expenditure on increasing the learning outcome and teachers' salaries,